Kom. Gentle, gentle. Gentle. Nice and easy, yeah?
Micah's just turned 2 before I even got time to film. That's one thing that he never used to like.
Sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.
Daddy, kom, great, verder on. Safety. Safety.
So welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today we're just making a quick video. Mike has been really taking a lot of interest in cooking, especially when he's been seeing his big sister and big brother do it. So Ryan was cooking and Mike had decided that he wanted to help out. So he's been grating the carrot. Doing a good job.
Give me a high five.
Yay!
Kijk die kost voor ons. Kijk die kost voor ons.
So, Afrikaans is Ryan's first language. So I speak English to him and Ryan speaks Afrikaans.
Kost, kijk die kost.
Okay, you're taking it there.
Kijk die kost.
You gonna? Where are you going? Oh, okay. You want some water? Mummy, give you some. So. Oh, he wants a bowl. Ryan wants a bowl for his food. Okay, you go and give that to Dad. He wanted a bowl. Dad, he wants to give it you.
Was moet eerst je race in zitten. Je race.
Oh, are you getting back down again now? Dad. That's what he does when the food's not even ready yet, and he'll get a bowl out ready. And then he'll start dishing up as well. He's looking for his bowl.
Zo.
Bring your bowl.
Nog hier, nog. Wacht.
Not ready yet. The potatoes need cooking, Micah.
Oké. Daar zo. Of was daar? Zo. Gentle. Gentle. Nice and easy, yeah?
Mike has just turned 2. So in the video, if you saw it, where I made a video with Neva, I talked about how from about 2, when they show an interest in cooking, then we allow them to help us, and obviously we teach them safely how to use knives and the pans and all that kind of stuff.
Micah, right.
Thanks, Micah.
Yeah, the rice.
Oh, I boiled the pan, so just 1 minute. Oh, I turned it off because it was making a noise, the fan. No, you wanted it on? What's Daddy doing now? Defrosting. Is that beetroot, Micah?
Yum. Lekker. Oh.
Is it beetroot? Yay! Can you say beetroot, Micah?
Pass the spoon, please. Big job. Let's do that for now.
You putting beetroot in? You putting it in? Oh, yeah.
Defrost. Defrosting it.
So you've got that cooking.
Please. The salad. Back up. Come. Woo! Lekker.
Do you know what? It's good that you showed him that actually, because there's some vegetables sometimes that Micah might not be keen on, but if Ryan does something like that, and cheeky jokes, if Ryan does something like that and tastes it, then Micah's saying nice, then Micah will do the same, and he like feels really proud of himself. Then we do it a few times and then he ends up really liking the vegetables that we've made then, doesn't he?
Good. Now he wants to go and get his own spoon. Wieso, Daddy? Daddy? Wieso? Daddy, han vat deine.
There's not, I mean, he loves meat.
He loves meat.
Yeah, he loves meat like you, doesn't he? And he was a bit funny with some vegetables, but then we've just kept giving them him on his plate, and then if he wants to eat them, then he can eat them if he doesn't want to. But I'd say he's eating a lot more veg than what he was, isn't he?
There we go.
What would you say his favourite vegetable is, or fruit?
Chips.
Is that even classed as a vegetable? Do you know what? Whenever we have chips, he doesn't eat loads of it.
No. What's his favourite food? Everyone else's.
Yeah, that's true.
He wants to eat everyone else's food except his.
What's he like with the spices?
Yeah.
Coriander. He loves coriander, doesn't he? Yeah. It's funny though, Ryan will put exactly what we're having on his plate, just a mini version, and but he'll still want to eat all of our food, don't you, Micah? Finished cooking now, Micah. So my food's over there. This is Micah's, Ryan's, and Neighbours, and Caleb's. So they're having like a beef bolognese with loads of different veggies in it. And mine is a vegan bolognese, so I've made that myself. And we've got this, I don't know how you pronounce that. I showed this on one of my hauls. It's orzo pasta. It looks like the shape of ice. Hey, that's Neighbours. Everything done. There's Ryan's, there's Caleb's, and there's Neighbours, and then there's Micah's here. So he has everything that we have, and like I said, we just add a bit of everything, and if he doesn't want it, then it's fine. Oh, he shouted them. He's putting his spices on. Got his coriander on.
Yep.
Yeah. You love coriander, don't you?
Yeah. You go, Daddy?
Yeah.
So?
Don't feel about the pepper.
There you go.
Is that nice, Micah? Is it nice? Yeah?
Nom.
Yeah. Well, before I even got time to film. That's one thing that he never used to like, but he loves it now, doesn't he? So we've got Ryan's there, Micah's, Neighbours got hers, and Kayla. What do you think of Micah's meal that he made for you? Is it nice? Yeah. Is it nicked your fork, Neighbour?
Yeah.
Cheeky chops. So we hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. You say bye, Micah. You say bye.
Bye.